I'm Chris.
My name is Ritika.
My name is João.
I'm Isla Naveed.
Criminology and Sociology.
Human Resource Management, and I'm also an international student.
I'm in final year studies and I'm doing accountancy and finance.
In my second year of primary education.
I never had to write a law report, which we have to. So yeah, that's a bit challenging.
I think the thing that held me back the most was the fact that I didn't really reach out to the opportunities that are out there and what the university can provide me with.
So I always struggled with structuring my paragraphs.
I do a unit that has a lot of presentation work in it, and I would say that being an assignment, I would say that's held me back.
Yeah, so I learned a lot of grammar skills and how to structure an essay.
How to structure my paragraphs, what to include, improving my academic voice and writing.
Appropriate body language, what needs to be in the presentation.
Yeah, I went in with zero knowledge and I came out with 100% of everything that I needed to know.
It's a matter of you going out there and being proactive and talking to people about your issues.
I have already given my friend an advice, even she wants to do her post-graduation, so I said it's MMU if you have to, because the skills and the support that you receive, it's just amazing.
Just look online, look on Moodle, see what support there is, because there is a lot.
Don't think there's any problem that's too small or too silly, because you can get help with a lot of things and you might as well while you're here.